How to pre-qualify for a fix and flip loan in under 24 hours. Fast financing is the new competitive edge in today's fix and flip market. I've helped hundreds of investors get pre-qualified for fix and flip loans in just 24 hours, enabling them to secure deals before their competition. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what you need so that you can get pre-qualified as fast as the most successful fix and flippers. This rapid pre-qualification process has helped countless investors secure profitable deals that would have otherwise slipped away. So if you follow everything I lay out in this video, you'll be able to achieve the same speed and efficiency. And I'm going to be covering how to properly document your experience, what comprehensive property documentation actually means, common pitfalls to avoid, how to create and submit a proper scope of work, and I've got a free resource that will help you succeed. Literally everything you need, the exact blueprint to get pre-qualified quickly so that you can secure more deals. And when you complete a deal, you will receive a HUD or a closing statement. So this is the first part. These documents are essential proof of your experience in fix and flip projects. And as a lender, when I fund a deal, I want to know that the borrower has experience, especially for fix and flip projects, requiring more than a mild rehab. To demonstrate your track record, provide the HUD from when you purchased the property and the HUD from when you sold it, or when you refinanced it if you decided to end up keeping it. This clear evidence helps lenders see your level of expertise, especially for projects that require more than a mild rehab. To streamline the process, you might consider even keeping a spreadsheet or portfolio of your past deals. Include purchase prices, sales prices, property addresses, and before and after photos. This portfolio will allow lenders to quickly review a few of your projects, confirm your involvement, and expedite your qualifying for funding. If your HUDs list a different LLC, perhaps from a short-term partnership on one deal, be proactive in explaining this. Clarify your involvement in the LLC, its purpose, and the state where it was formed. Providing this context will prevent confusion and expedite your qualification for the loan. Now, if you do not have previous experience, you should be leveraging the experience of a more seasoned partner. For example, find a deal and collaborate with an experienced partner who can oversee the project and use their credibility to improve the lender's confidence in the project. The partner with more experience should sign for the debt and ensure that the deal is successfully completed. Similar to documenting your own experience, this partner will need to provide proof of their track record, just such as HUDs, before and after photos, and details of completed projects. You shouldn't jump into a partnership based solely on verbal claims of experience. Always request documentation to verify their qualification. Remember, leveraging a credible partner's experience can be a game changer for new investors, helping you get pre-qualified faster by showcasing a proven track record and building lender confidence. This strategy not only expedites the loan approval process, but also positions you as a trustworthy borrower who recognizes that lack of experience can lead to challenges. But by partnering with someone seasoned, you demonstrate to your lenders that you are prepared to tackle your next project with confidence and the right expertise on your side. Now, that said, not every project requires this level of oversight. So some projects are more straightforward. They're considered more mild rehab. Mild rehab projects are typically cosmetic in nature, such as cleaning, painting, or simple floor updates without involving any major systems like electrical, plumbing, or structural repairs. For these types of projects, most lenders do not require you to provide extensive documentation of your experience. However, pro tip, it's still a good idea to maintain clear records for your own reference and to demonstrate your professionalism. Now that you have provided a solid picture of who you are to the lender, let's talk about providing clarity around the property. The most common mistake borrowers make when seeking funding is not providing the underwriting team with a clear perspective on the property's current condition. Comprehensive pictures are crucial. So start with the interior. Capture key areas like kitchen, bathrooms, and structural details. And don't forget to include major systems such as the breaker box, water heater, and HVAC system. For the exterior, you need to be focusing on the current curb appeal, of the property, the condition of the roof, the foundation, and if possible, try to include some clear shots of the roof to provide a full picture of the property's current state. Failing to document key areas or submitting poor quality photos like those with bad lighting or incomplete coverage can slow down the approval process. The more comprehensive and clear your pictures are, the better equipped lenders will be to evaluate the property. And this clarity will help when it comes to aligning these photos with your scope of work, which we will address next. If there are obvious areas in need of repair, you need to make sure that those are documented clearly to avoid confusion later. I have seen all kinds of submissions listed as scope of work, from notes scribbled on a napkin and screenshots of a text message to detailed contractor estimates and well thought out breakdowns from borrowers. Now let me tell you, the more thorough and thoughtful your scope of work, the faster we can qualify you for funding. So help us understand what you're thinking. Your scope of work should include a room by room breakdown of the property. For example, in the kitchen, list everything that you plan to address, from countertops, cabinets, appliances, and flooring. For each item, provide a clear cost breakdown. The same level of detail should be applied to the bathrooms, living areas, and any outdoor spaces. It's not just about interior spaces. The exterior should cover landscaping, roofing, siding, windows, and more. Don't forget systems like plumbing, electrical, HVAC, and even pest or mold remediation if necessary. A professional, detailed scope of work demonstrates that you have thought through the project and instills confidence in the lender. And with every loan my partner and I do, we require that one of our vetted inspectors come by and perform a property inspection. Your scope of work should align closely to the findings of the inspector to save yourself issues later on when you go to sell the property. Major or even moderate findings that go completely unaddressed will likely come back to bite you in the butt. And when the property goes on market, it will be inspected again, and anything left unresolved will cost you more money and potentially delay the sale. A delayed sale can make your loan much more expensive. Setting yourself up for success by addressing these issues up front will not only save you time and money, but it will also expedite the qualification of your loan. And that's exactly how you can get pre-qualified for a fix and flip loan in under 24 hours. If you are a real estate investor watching this video looking to do the same, I hope you got a lot of value from this and learned about not only the fastest way to get pre-qualified, but the best way to present yourself professionally to lenders. Of course, I couldn't cover every detail about creating a proper scope of work, but luckily for you, I have created a free scope of work template that you can download right now. Just click the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.